Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Instagram bio link, profile update step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Look for the Edit Profile button and tap it once. On some accounts, tap Edit Profile and then tap Edit Public Profile if you see that option. Find the section named Links or Bio, depending on your Instagram version. If you see links, tap it to open the link management screen. Tap Add External Link to create a new bio link. In the URL field, type or paste the website link you want people to visit. In the title field, enter a short name so the link looks clean and professional. Double-check the URL for spelling, dots, and slashes to avoid broken links. If you already have an old link, tap it to edit instead of adding a new one. Replace the old URL with your new URL carefully. Update the link title if you want it to match your current campaign or page. Tap Done or the check mark to save the link changes. Go back to the Edit Profile screen to confirm the link is listed correctly. If your Instagram shows a website field instead of links, tap the website field. Paste your new link into the website field exactly as you want it displayed. Remove any extra spaces before or after the link. Tap the check mark or save in the top right corner to apply the update. Return to your profile page and look under your bio to see the new link. Tap the link yourself to confirm it opens the correct page in your browser. If the page does not open, recheck the URL for missing https:// or typing errors. If you use a link in bio tool, make sure its landing page is updated with your newest buttons. Consider keeping the link title consistent so viewers recognize it quickly. If you want to track clicks, use a trackable link like a UTM link from your website analytics. After updating, refresh your profile by closing and reopening Instagram if you do not see changes. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you edited the correct profile before leaving the screen. You have now successfully changed your Instagram bio link through your profile update. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.